What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today's video is gonna be my first product review. Yes, product review. This company reached out to me through email and asked me if I wanted to review one of their products, and I was like, sure, I'm interested. They said give my full, review the product and give my full, my real opinion about it, and just show, what I really think about the product. So I said, okay, cool. I know I keep it 100 on my channel. So the product arrived properly in an Amazon box, and then it came in its own box, which I'm a sucker for packaging, and I was really pleased with that, because sometimes you get packages, it's just the Amazon box, they throw their product in and call it a DIY. No, I like that they use two boxes to keep their product nicely, intact. So that was my first impression of them, and I was impressed by it. So I opened the box, right? And booyah! And this is what the product is. It is a nail polish organizer by Solid Beauty Concepts. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, once again, what we do, we keep it all the way 100. I was very impressed. It's very sturdy, very sturdy. This is not no cheap product by any means, guys. I want y'all to get a full look of how the product is put together. Very sturdy, not cheaply made at all. And look at the hinges. It's so tightly made, because I'm holding it also, because I'm not trying to have it to pop out my hands. But very easily open, but put together very well. Very, very, very. So that was my first impression by it, guys. Very impressed. Very impressed. So like I mentioned, it is a nail polish organizer. It holds 48 nail polishes. You heard me, 48. That's a lot of nail polish, okay, guys? And I wanted to show you an example as I open it. And these are obviously the storage spots. And also over here is where you can hold your nail clips, your emery boards, nail files, whatever you want to call it, and other accessories that goes along when you're doing your nails. And then over here, these storages you can make it the length that you need. They're adjustable for on this side. On this side, it holds your average. I don't know the measurements of an average nail polish bottle, but just say the average nail polish bottle as such. What is that, about 2 inches? Y'all know this ain't no math show, so y'all go about your business. So put that bad boy in there, and then, like I said, it holds up to 48. Now I'm gonna show you one that do not fit. This one's probably about 3 inches. It ain't going up and down. So make sure it's your typical nail polish bottle. Put it in there, and y'all, I was so impressed. Cause I'm like, it look like it still will go places. And look, this one is oddly shaped, but guess what? It still fits. See? It still fits. I just wanted to show you that it don't gotta be the same shape, but just know that don't be putting on a 5-inch bottle up in there. That ain't finna go up in there, okay, guys? And so then your nail clip can come over here. You can readjust it to the size that you need up in this bad boy. I can't see, but it can even go in here. Let me put it over here. So you can put your little nail clip in there. This little buffer thing for your nails. So this needs to be a little taller for your little buffer thing. Booyah, look at that. Perfect, because I adjusted it. And then you got your emery boards. Now, let's see. I'm gonna just move that out the way and put that one over here. And just take those ones up out there and just put it in there like that. And so you can put the emery board in there. You can just play around with it, guys. I got what? 3 emery boards. So you can put that in there. So you got your little nail buffer, your emery boards, and I also put the clip in there. And then you got your nail polish. And this is what, watch. Yeah. They ain't going nowhere. Not going anywhere. They stay in place, guys. Even your organization, your accessories, they're not going anywhere. So if you're a nail technician, or you just having a girls' night out, and y'all gonna do nails, and you want to put all your fancy, cute little colors in there, and you don't want to have it all over in your purse or your suitcase or whatever, booyah, easily. You can transport it anywhere you need it to go. And also, if you are a nail tech, I just added this my own self. Instead of having the sticker still here, which we like to support their brand, but if you are a nail tech, you can put your own branding on here to personalize it and customize it to you, to your company. So you can walk around so they can represent your own company. I thought that was a good idea. And just like so you have your nails on the amount on this side, it also opens up on this side, guys. Bam. So then you put the rest of your accessories as well as the remaining of your nail polishes. And it came with this toe separator thing, you know, when you polish your toes. It came with that. This whole organizer is very sturdy. The price is $19.95. Y'all, I thought that was a good price. It's sturdy, handle, holds what? 48 nail polishes plus accessories that you can assemble and customize the storage space on that side for $19.95. And y'all not gonna believe it, I got a coupon that y'all can even get less, 10% off. And I put the coupon code right now. It's Crafty DIY is 18, I do believe. And I also put it in the description box. And you can get 10% off today. Yes, today. And guess what else, guys? If you're not into nail polish and you're like, you know what, you're a crafter, like I am. I'm a crafter. You can take your glitter. This is also your embossment. I can't even talk, guys. You can take glitter, what have you, and put it in there. It goes in the containers just as well. What about that? So if you're not into nail polish, this storage unit can also be used for your crafts as well. So if you're a crafter and you own the go as well, booyah, you can put your crafts in here. You can use this storage, it's endless, y'all. Just use your imagination. It don't have to just be applied to just nail polish. I'm just letting you know. So you close that bad boy up, it fits in there perfectly. And your glitter ain't going anywhere either. That's right, guys. Giveaway time. If y'all enjoy this product just as much as I enjoy this product, and you want one on your for free, just like I got one for free, all you have to do is leave a comment in the section, in the comment section. Y'all know, down below, and just tell me how you would use this awesome nail organizer, nail polish organizer. Let me get it straight, okay? Nail polish organizer. Just leave a comment in the section below of how you would use it. You know, if you're a nail tech, do you know a nail tech that can use it? And also share this video. Share it till you can't share it no more. But in order to win it, you do have to leave a comment. Okay, guys? Leave a comment, throw the thumbs up, thumbs up it, and you'll qualify, or you would enter into the contest or the giveaway. So guys, if you want your very own free nail polish organizer, leave a comment to enter the giveaway. As well, if you don't win it, you can still use the coupon Crafty DIYs 18 and get 10% off of your nail polish organizer. I'm going to leave the link to the actual organizer in the description box so y'all can get a better look and get more details about it as well. So guys, as always, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video and want to enter into this awesome giveaway, hook your girl up with a thumbs up, leave a comment, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys next Sunday. Don't forget, leave a comment, guys, so y'all can get this awesome nail polish organizer. Deuces!